Yo, what's good, everybody? We back with another video, and y'all seen the title. We out here to support another kid, and we got the Mopars out here, so it's about to get lit. You see, I'm hot. It's hot as hell. It's probably like, how hot is it, bruh?
Like almost 100 degrees.
Yeah,
man.
it's like 100. And you know, I'm fat, so this 100 don't do well with me. You see, I'm sweating and everything. But we out here with everybody. We checking out all the cars, and we here to show some support. So we actually met up with some of the guys from Philly again. So we about to shoot some nice little good content. Cicadas are out here on the East Coast. If y'all know what a cicada is, this is what a cicada is. So we've been hitting them. They all on everybody's car. They everywhere. So it's about 1 billion cicadas outside. But yeah, everybody's car got cicadas on it. You see the aftermath. Cicadas right here on the front. So yeah, if you live in the East, oh damn, Mike got it. God, damn, what's going on, bro? God, damn. Don't do that to me, man. God. I had to. God. Oh, dang, look at that. You hit like 6 right there. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. To the Rango squad. That's dope. I like that. There's a lot of cars going up and down, but we about to go eat some food, enjoy our time out here. Y'all see the cars. Oh yeah, had to cop the merch, you know, support the kid. Had to get the yellow and black because you see how we roll. Y'all see the vibes. Oh yeah, what you get, bro? Let me see what you got, bro. Oh yeah, he got the bandit colors too. How lucky is that? I got the blue and orange.
You know.
What you got over there, man? You got the blue and orange too? You got blue and red?
I got that American flag joint, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you hear me? And we got the yellow and black. Man, we back out Philly again, dog. Yeah, I had made a video when we came out here the first time. Niggas want to know about the build and what you actually did to get it how it look now, bro.
Alright, so what I did was I went with like a fighter jet there. So I initially dropped out 2 things. It was kind of inspired a little bit by the boy Mission Flyer. You know, I'm gonna give him some credit when this built. Mission Flyer shit crazy. He's a war vet pilot or whatever. But so I wanted to fight just people. I wanted to do all custom joints. So the top piece right here is my boss military joint. He did 4 Army, 6 Marines. So then we go over here to this, you know, Nemesis, this is the car club. That's from my big bro that passed away a couple years ago. Our 5 football teams I done played for, my jersey number on the side. All money in the neighborhood and that. That ain't going nowhere. You know, got the custom badges done by the bro, Hollywood joint. So they got the wrap. The tires are swapped out. It's all coilovers, lower down an inch. We got a headlight and tail light swap.
Yeah, that's what I want to know. How did this swap process happen?
That shit was like it was pretty much like a plug and play for honest, but I ain't gonna lie to you. It was a quick little plug and play.
So is this like the same rear bumper from the old model?
Yep. Yeah, I didn't change anything other than
the tail lights.
Other than tail lights. Tail lights and my headlights. That's it.
That shit crazy.
And my front bumper. You know, then I went with the hood. I did that from the rear.
So it's an OEM joint?
Yeah. OEM aluminum joint. The Hellcat bumper.
That's what's up, bro.
I wanted a bit more of an aggressive look.
Yeah, nah, that shit look mean as fuck. Cause when I first seen it, I thought it was a Hellcat. When I first seen it, cause I you know.
I get that shit a lot. They're like,
yeah.
Is it a cat? Like, nah, it's not a cat. It's regular SRT.
Yeah, so then
I just put a lot of work into it.
Then I did my research. I was like, oh, this man swapped the whole bumper to everything. So I was like, yeah, I had to speak to him because like niggas on my video, they was like, yeah, son, they thought it was a Hellcat too. So I was like, I had to speak to him and get the whole story.
Classic little 52.
I feel you.
A little 485 under the hood. That's about it.
That's what's up though.
Regular 12. Actually limited edition yellow jacket originally. So
Y'all see the vibes out here.
You gonna fuck, nigga, don't make that. Come on, man, I'm trying to piss off the cat. Try to run the company. And that's 16.
Move up so you don't hit the car.
I'm not going to hit the car. I can draw.
You have to shit.
Okay. No, I ain't sliding. I ain't gonna lie to you like that. I ain't gonna bump fake. I was supposed to be smooth. I can't slide yet. I ain't gonna lie. I said I told you that shit play. Oh, all right. No, listen. Hellcat D, please.
God damn.
Oh, they want to wait. Something going to happen. They want to wait.